In this video, you're going to learn why cold therapy is an essential part of fighting pain after surgery. Now let's jump right into it and find out why cold therapy can be a game changer for your surgery. After surgery, two of the biggest challenges patients face are pain and swelling. These are part of your body's natural healing process, but if left unchecked, they can slow your recovery and make life uncomfortable. That's where cold therapy comes in. In this video, I'll explain why cold therapy is so essential for healing and how it can help you recover faster. Cold therapy works in a number of different ways. It works, number one, by narrowing the blood vessels in the area where it is applied. This reduces swelling and limits fluid buildup around your surgical site. At the same time, it numbs the nerve endings, which helps ease the pain without the need of heavy medication. When swelling goes down, circulation definitely improves, and this is going to allow tissues to heal more effectively. Quick reminder, if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to our channel or think about giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us, and it helps us create content for you. Also, you can purchase the products featured in the video directly from our YouTube store. Now let's get back to the review. Patients who use cold therapy consistently often report less discomfort, better sleep, and even less reliance on prescription pain medications. That's really important because strong medications do come with side effects like drowsiness or constipation. Cold therapy gives you a safe, natural way to feel better during recovery. Whether you've had a knee replacement, rotator cuff repair, hip surgery, foot and ankle procedure, cold therapy is always there to help. Pads and wraps are designed to target specific joints and areas so that your therapy is going to be customized to your recovery needs. Cold therapy is more than just comfort. It's a powerful recovery tool. It reduces swelling, eases pain, and helps support healing. And most importantly, in my mind, it definitely helps minimize the prescription pain medications. So all of these things combined are going to help you return to a normal life faster and with less stress. So now that you know why cold therapy is essential after surgery, please click on our next video and learn about some of the cold therapy products that are offered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more recovery tips. And as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.